Insta360 Pro 2 is not just a brand new camera with stunning image quality and improvements. Insta360 Pro 2 is a brand new business opportunity. I am Federico Debetto, Google Street View Trusted Photographer. I specialize in a whole bunch of areas including Google Maps based tourism promotional tour. Today I'm going to explain how you can get massive results with Insta360 Pro 2, the new top-of-the-line VR camera from Insta360. When I first met Insta360 in 2017 in Tokyo, I immediately realized that was really a milestone in the Google Map industry. 360 cameras are at a whole new level. Insta360 Pro was the first, and it's still one of the few Street View certified camera. That means that with a super simple workflow, you can update for Street View and get mapping new area with high fidelity shots. In the past, we were limited to interiors of businesses and works, but now, for the first time, outdoor paths, bike trails, steep slopes, rivers, and wherever you can image off-road can be shot for Google Maps. It doesn't take much imaging to see the business potential here. The small, lightweight form factor, meaning you can easily carry the Pro 2 to capture unmapped outdoor trails. I mapped the road to the Half Dome in Yosemite National Park, and I did it in 9 hours of continuous capture. This was impossible a few years back. The Pro 2 is a huge improvement over the Pro 1. Its built-in GPS make the Street View operation easier than ever before, and the signal control inside the app helps tracker to monitor the GPS signal in raw spot like when you are in the woods or busy city environment. It's for those reasons why I think that Pro 2 is the camera of choice for serious Google Street View trusted photographer. It's a huge update and really is a top-of-the-line tool for your business.